everybody, Don Murray here with your storm mapping severe weather recap for Tuesday, May 26, 2015. What an active severe weather day it was yesterday. We have some severe weather going on today, Wednesday. However, yesterday is what we're talking about recapping. Some very active weather here across parts of the southern plains here, stretching from parts of Kansas down through parts of north central Texas. We also had some other areas of severe weather to talk about here across parts of the lower Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley, and we even had some widespread wind damage reports here across parts of the southeast. So let's go ahead and we'll go from region to region here. Give me my mouse over here. There we go. We'll start with the lower Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley. You see we have all these damaging wind reports here. We can zoom in parts of lower Michigan where we had a 60-mile-an-hour wind gust reported here in Quincy, Michigan. Also some other damaging wind reports here across parts of southeastern Michigan. Moving through parts of Ohio, you can see all these widely scattered wind damage reports here just north of Columbus, and also some other wind damage reports a little further to the east. This line of thunderstorms did not make it into the Pittsburgh area. It mainly died out before it hit the Pennsylvania state line. Moving further to the south, this was actually a mesoscale convective system that moved across the south. This actually produced quite a bit of severe weather, the system, the day before across parts of Texas. It moved across parts of the deep south into the overnight hours, and the instability built back up during the daytime yesterday and really caused a lot of widespread wind damage, and also a lot of hail reports too. Most of the wind damage stayed south of Atlanta, but there was a few isolated hail events here, especially on the northwest side of Atlanta and also going further to the north and east. This line continued to move further to the north and east up into the Piedmont region, producing some more wind damage here. You can see here up near Spartanburg, South Carolina, we had some wind damage reported around there. Now going into the area where it was really active yesterday. Looking here across parts of north central Texas, you see all these widespread hail detections here on radar. Many large hail detections here. We have a 4-inch hail report. That's a 3 1/4 inch hail report there. Let's take a look at some of these other ones here. That is a 3.5 inch hail detection there. So that large of hail is going to do some damage, but what was notable about yesterday with these supercells, we had one powerful tornado here just south of Lone Camp, Texas. And click on this little tornado report here. We can zoom into this area right here. We actually have some pretty good video that came in from Reed Timmer on TVN Weather. Go ahead and take a look at that video. Very impressive tornado video yesterday. Look at this monster wedge tornado. Actually did some damage to his vehicle, but I mean, look at that. Very impressive tornado. A lot of debris flying around with this. Fortunately, it stayed over a rural area, so it didn't really cause too much damage. Probably just some farm structures out here mostly damaged, but definitely some interesting weather again in the southern plains. So we'll go ahead and expand the view back out, kind of give you a broader view of the entire country overall. Some more severe weather did occur here across parts of southeastern Kansas. Wichita got on the act. They had some larger hail here. Some spotted reports of between 1 and 1.5 inches around Wichita. And then zooming the view back out even further, some other isolated events here across parts of the Intermountain West from Utah, and also some other isolated detections here across the Pacific Northwest. We also have some active severe weather going on today for our Wednesday. The main activity will be here again across parts of the southern plains, stretching from the Panhandle up into parts of eastern Colorado, where we could probably have some decent supercells, probably some tornadoes, and definitely some large hail events. So check out the tvonweather.com live for the chasers out there, and join us for our recap tomorrow. If whatever severe weather happened today, we will be highlighting and recapping again tomorrow. Take care.
Don't forget to check out Storm Chasers streaming live at tvonweather.com/live. Or if you're on the go, you can watch live Storm Chasers streaming on your mobile device by downloading the TVN Weather app on your Android or iOS device.